Kat, and guess what today is? It's 2 days before moving day. It is 6:02 p.m. on Thursday, January 10th. Tim has a pickup truck as his car, so I'm not even renting a truck because I really don't have that much furniture. So it's only gonna take us a handful of trips to go back and forth. So as you can see, I'm not really ready to move, but that's okay because that's what we're about to do. We're about to pack up my room. Hi guys, quick little comment because I was washing this back and I realized that like if you didn't know me or my channel, you'd probably be like, what the heck is this girl talking about? Where's she moving? So I just wanted to fill you in. I currently live with my family still. I graduated college back in January, and back in September I purchased a condo on my own, and my boyfriend is helping me to totally redo the kitchen, which is why it's been so long that I haven't moved because, you know, he works full time, so it's been after work weekends that we've been doing all of the work, and there's been a ton of work done. I'm gonna do like a whole kitchen transformation video. I'm so excited. And I do have an entire condo tour video from when I first purchased it before we did any renovation, so I'll have that linked in the description box. I also answer a ton of your questions about the home move in general, so that'll be linked below. But for right now, let's get to packing. Got a trash bag, bin that I'm going to use to put all my decor into to store it in there. This bin has all of my summer clothes, but I'm actually going to get rid of this bin, give it to my sister because she's moving into college in a few weeks. And then this bin that currently has my shoes in it, I'm going to put all of my summer clothes in there instead just because it's a little bit smaller and I'll be able to put my shoes in my closet once I move. These 3 bags are filled with clothes and I'm going to be giving to Goodwill. I have this one open because when I go through my closet, I want to be able to like put stuff in there if I realize there's more stuff I want to give away. Those are just sheets and blankets that I'll be taking. This has just got like some office supplies, craft supplies in it. Obviously, y'all know the drill with the cushions. Those are my couch cushions. Literally, this door broke. We've had this IKEA desk for like 4 years now, so I'm just gonna throw this out and get a new like makeup desk. So step 1 after actually cleaning my room is to make sure that all of these surfaces are totally cleared off. This is great just because it made me feel like my room was actually being packed up. You know what I mean? Like once all my decor was taken off and my surfaces were cleared off, it felt a lot more like I was moving, and it got me more in the like rhythm and spirit of packing everything up. And also it's convenient that I can then put all of the boxes that are ready to go on top of my dresser and I don't have to use the floor to take up all of that space. I don't know why I'm bothering to dust this off because, like, you know, we're just throwing it out, but gotta keep it clean even for the trash.
Who cares about what is to come? No, I don't fear the night. Let's show him what it is to be alive.
Hi guys, so right now I'm actually going to take all of these shoes and put them in the suitcase because I could just transfer the suitcase, and I'm actually going to be getting rid of the suitcase. I've had it forever. It's got like all the zippers are broken. There's nail polish. Can you see? I like spilled nail polish in there and it like stained. So cute, I know, right?
If nothing is what keeps gonna keep you just for a minute. I don't know what's real, but I really wanna feel you now.
Over here, I have my current summer clothing box where I just like have all my summer stuff, and then some stuff. This is like my high school graduation gown. I don't know why I still have it, but I also don't want to get rid of it. So I have it all in this box currently, but it's just too tall and bulky, and I already have one of these types of boxes with all my holiday decor in it at my condo. So I figured I would switch over to this one for the summer clothes and clothes that I'm not wearing that often. My suggestion when it comes to storing your clothes is to only allow yourself one storage bin that's not too big, because one, it will take up less space, but also it's really going to force you to think about which pieces you choose to store and which ones you don't really wear that much and would be better to donate to somebody else. These are all my Halloween costumes. Good times. I feel like this whole video is me looking up at you at extreme angles. I'm sorry. Now we're gonna head over to my actual closet, start packing that up, and I'm gonna keep this open in case there's anything that it's like, yo Kat, you're not gonna wear that until at least summertime, because I can just stick it in here. Hi guys! So we're at my closet. It got a little cold, so I put on my little robe. Isn't this cute? So for the clothes in my closet, I'm gonna deal with those first. I'm not actually gonna take anything off of the hangers. All that I'm going to do is take plastic bags and like pull them up, but before I do that, I want to make sure that everything is super organized. I'm just going around making sure that all of my clothes are with the clothes that I want to section it off with in my new closet. That way all I have to do, pop the hangers in my closet, pull the bags off, and I'm good to go. So now I'm putting up the bags. This is actually a lot more difficult than it looks, but it's totally worth it, I promise. Pulled the bag up and then just put these straps over the hanger to these shoes. I think I'm just gonna stick them in these boxes because what else am I gonna do? Gosh, it's so weird seeing my room all packed up. Fun fact though, if y'all didn't know, the past 8 years I have moved every single 2 years, and that's just houses. Like my family has moved houses 4 times. That's not counting going back and forth from college for the past 4.5 years. So, you know, I have a lot of experience with moving and packing up my room, but this is just definitely the weirdest and the most surreal because it's the first time that I'm moving to my own place that I own, and it's not like I'm going with my family or a roommate. Like it's 100% on my own, so that's pretty cool, but also like the most scary thing I've ever done in my whole life. But I'm excited, and I'm happy that y'all are coming along for the journey with me. That makes me feel a lot better. I'm gonna wear these to work tomorrow. Again, I gotta declutter. I have not worn these in so long and I really don't love them, so I'm gonna wear them. I'm gonna give them away. These two, they're cute, but I never wear them because they're so stinking uncomfortable. And then these 3 I'll just throw in my car. I kind of live out of my car anyway, so it doesn't matter. Not unlikely to have a bunch of pairs of shoes in my car. You know what I mean? Honestly, I don't feel like going through all the trouble of taking this apart, so I think I'm just gonna throw this in the backseat of my car.
And then as you can see up there is kind of a disaster, so I went around, took all of the clothes out, that way I could visually see everything that I have, and the shelf is totally cleared off. And then I just went through all of the clothes and decided if I wanted to donate it, because some of the stuff I realized I didn't wear that much, and then the pile of stuff that's going to be put into my clothing storage bin, and then finally just clothes and sweaters that I want to bag so that I can put them in my new closet when I move.
Okay guys, it's pretty much all packed up at this point. Well, like everything that I have out, obviously. There's some stuff that I'm going to be using the next day and a half, but other than that, everything is pretty much packed up. Then my closet is basically empty. That's a bunch of stuff that's just going to go in my car, brought to the condo. Obviously, this is like the bulk of all of the stuff I packed. Got my couch cushions. It's been so long. I'm so excited to get those in the condo and see the couch. Hi guys, you like my outfit? Hi guys, it's actually the next morning. My camera died last night, so I figured I would just finish it off in the morning. As you can see, it's daytime outside because it's light. I also did like put away all my throw blankets off my bed, put those in bags as well right before this, just so that tomorrow everything is pretty much good to go. And I'm so excited. If you watch until this part, comment moving day. Comment moving day if you watch till this part, because obviously, you know, I'm moving. And I think that's about it. So I love you guys so much. Make sure to come back next Saturday for the actual moving vlog, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you.